Hi, my name is Professor Chris Smith. I'm the Director of the CDT at Exeter University, and I just wanted to say a few things about the 8 EngD studentships which we've got available this summer. The EngD is different from a PhD because the EngD, you'll be engaging very closely with a business, with a company. You'll be in their offices, on their premises, solving a whole set of real-world problems. So it's still research, but it's on across a broad range of problems. So every EngD student is sponsored by a company, and those projects are coming from the company. Of course, you get supervision from one of the professors here in Exeter and one of the other universities, Warwick or Cranfield. So what we're looking for are 8 very motivated, high-quality people from a wide variety of backgrounds, because we can do all the training that we need to here, and take those 8 people into a cohort. You're going to work together for 4 years and make sure you've got all the right skills to take sustainability into businesses in the future.